Now, welcome back, critical thinkers. Still on division of polynomials. We have this question to deal with. It says, welcome back, great mind. Still on division of polynomials. And we have this question to deal with. It says, divide x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 8 by x minus 2. To divide polynomial, we use long division method. Put the polynomial inside the box. Minus 2x squared plus 5x, and then plus what? 8. And then the divisor outside, x minus 2. Now, look for a number or a variable that when you multiply with the first term of the divisor, it will give you the first term of the polynomial. Don't consider the second term first, only the first term. Something you multiply with the first term will give you the first term of the polynomial, and that is what? X squared. So x squared times x will give us what? X cubed. Now that same x squared times minus 2 will give us minus 2x squared. Now nothing else to multiply. Then you subtract the second from the first. And of course, this is 8. And this is 5x. And then minus 2x squared minus 2x squared. Of course, you know the second one is being subtracted from the first one, so there is subtraction sign here. So the first one, which is 2x squared minus 2x squared minus 2x squared. So that minus times this minus will give us plus. So minus 2x squared plus 2x squared, that is what? 0. And then this is it, minus 2x squared plus 2x squared, which is another way you can write it is 2x squared minus 2x squared. That is it. This one take away this one. So that one is done. Now x cubed minus x cubed is still 0. Now we are left with this one only. Now, is there any term again? We multiply with x, it give you the first term of the polynomial. Look for a term that when you multiply with the first term of the divisor, it will give you the first term of the polynomial. And that is what? That is plus 5. And then plus 5 multiplied by x will give you plus 5 what? 5x. Now that 5 multiplied by minus 2 will give you what? Minus 10. Right? Now you subtract. Remember there is minus here, you're subtracting the second from the first. Now plus 8 minus 10. So the minus times this minus is plus. So plus 8 plus 10 will give us what? Plus 18. And then 5x minus 5x is 0. So if you look at this one, there is nothing else you multiply with this first term of the divisor. It will give you 18. So that 18 is now the remainder. Therefore, if x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 8 is divided by x minus 2, it will give us x squared plus 5, then remainder what? 18. So next time, we'll be having a remainder. So that is where we enter in the next class. The next class we will enter into a factor and remainder theory. That will be our next class. Because if you notice, all these ones we'll be solving, they always have remainders. The last one, and then the previous one. So the next class will be, we'll treat that remainder theorem, factor and remainder theorem. So thank you for watching, and try to subscribe and follow for this.